Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to rotate text in Adobe Illustrator. Use the Type tool, shortcut T, to create text on the canvas. Press the Escape key to exit the text editing mode. This ensures that you are in the selection mode, shortcut V. If you have a point type, text without the text box, hover just outside the bounding box until you see the rotation arrow. Click and drag to rotate the text. Hold the Shift key while rotating to snap the 45 degrees. To rotate the text box, if you are creating text within the text box, use the free transform tool, shortcut E. Click and drag the corners of bounding box to rotate text box, which will also rotate the text inside. Rotating the text box with the free transform tool allows you to create diamond-shaped text box without affecting the text orientation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.